What's going on, y'all? It is election day, so once again, I'm not trading. I'm not logging into my funded account, not logging into paper trading. Just going to purely watch again today, because it is election day. We have got 9:45 news and 10 a.m. news, which I would wait for anyway. I'd wait for the 9:45 news, and then if it was a normal day, if a setup appeared before 9:55, I'd take it. If not, I'd wait for 10 a.m. news. Over on NQ on the 4 hour, we have these 4 hour highs and these 4 hour lows, and that is it. And on the 1 hour, got these 1 hour lows right here, 1 hour highs and 1 hour highs. That is pretty much it. Price hits the highs. You know the drill. 5 minute move down, 5 minute move up, retrace, and then shorts. Price hits the lows. You know the drill. 5 minute moves up, 5 minute move down, retrace, and then longs. On the 15 minute, there is these 15 minute highs right here. And then we have just made these 15 minute lows, so we'll see what happens. Again, not trading at all, and if price hits these targets, any of these lines before market open, I disregard them. ES is looking a little different. Just chuck these on. On the 4 hour, we have these 4 hour highs right here, move up, move down, and these 4 hour lows, move down, move up, and that's it on the 4 hour. Then on the 1 hour, several 1 hour lows right here and right here that haven't been hit yet. These ones have been hit on NQ. And then these 1 hour highs move up, move down right there. And these 1 hour highs and these 1 hour highs. And then 15 minute, I just marked out those three. So same thing again, if price hits just these ones, 1 minute confirmations only, no 5 minute retrace. Same with these ones, but usually a high time frame piece of liquidity always gets hit anyway, so I rarely take trades off of 15 minute liquidity, but it is what it is. And then we've got those 1 hour lows and those 1 hour highs. So yeah, pretty no imbalances that I like the look of that I want to draw out. No clean imbalances. This one's been filled multiple times and had a reaction off of it. Same with this little one here. That's on NQ as well. Been filled and had reactions off twice already. So don't want to draw it on. That being said, that is my pre-market analysis. No trades again today because it is election day. But from tomorrow, I will be back on the XFA, logging in and then waiting for the setups, waiting for the trades. See you in a second. Alrighty, what is going on? A trade did present itself with my setup. Um, and I'll put a screenshot up of I screenshotted it as I placed the drawing on the chart, just so like it's not hindsight, obviously. There is two green lines just as a potential other take profit, but I would most likely have took it off at the first TP because there's no need to be greedy. This is a 1.24 RR trade, and let's jump right in. So market, market opened and ran up, which is a reason why I've not got take profits at the 1 hour low, because market ran up off open. Took out 1 hour highs here, then 1 hour highs here. Oh wait, sorry. There we go. That first set of 1 hour highs gave a 5 minute down candle. On ES, ignore this. I didn't. I wouldn't have executed this. This is just there for the sake of it. I'll get rid of it. So those first set of highs, ES broke 1 minute structure out of it. Right here, that candle broke 1 minute structure. But NQ never did. NQ never broke 1 minute structure and never inversed an imbalance, so therefore that sweep is not valid. So I did not look for a trade. After this candle, I was like, right, okay, yeah, we've had a 5 minute down candle after a sweep, but no 1 minute break of structure and no 1 minute inverse fair value gap, so this sweep is not valid. Get rid of it. This sweep gave nothing, and then this was the sweep that ended up giving something. These 1 hour highs right here from 2 a.m. on Monday and on NQ from Friday. So there is a high time frame SMT, you could say. as here's the highs on Friday that NQ got, and ES didn't. So high time from SMT right there because NQ grabbed the highs. We can draw it on real quick just to prove the point. ES lower high, NQ. There we go, higher high right there. And then off of that sweep, there was a 1 minute inverse fair value gap right here at 10:02. And then also, I'll get rid of that because it's not really important. NQ and ES both broke 1 minute structure at 10:11. Right here, 10:11. Break at the same time, awesome. That also caused 5 minute down candles to form. Like right now, I'm just waiting for a 5 minute retrace candle. So I'm waiting. This candle closes at 10:20. I'm like, right, I can look for a trade now. So that candle closed at 10:20. So this candle closed here. 5 minute retrace is over. I can look for a trade now. Price then ripped up even more. On ES took this high, but NQ didn't. So that's an internal SMT right there. As you can see, NQ ran up, didn't get that high, but ES did get that high. Nice and simple. Also drew on 5 minute equilibrium because there was obviously the retrace candle up here. ES did end up closing above the high, which is why the trade is on NQ anyway, but NQ actually gave the trade. So 5 minute equilibrium drew on from the 5 minute high to the 5 minute low. 1 minute SMT at the internal high. And then this candle right here, inverse this imbalance and close below 5 minute equilibrium. Enter in there. My stop should realistically be at the open of the final of the three, but I put it at the close of the final of the three because this is the imbalance I used as the inverse. So my stop went there. 83 ticks. It would have been $415 risked with one contract on NQ, which is perfectly fine. I consider this a good quality setup. Just very late on in the session, which is why there's reserved take profits. Or stop there, or there could be a stop there because using this imbalance, this is the open of the third of the three, or it could be there as well, but I put it there. So it makes no odds as I didn't actually take the trade and it hit TP anyway, so it makes no odds where the stop went, but it could have gone in here, here, or here, or here. I chose there. And then take profit just at that 5 minute low that was made that I drew the equilibrium from, because if it wasn't election day, maybe a part of me would have targeted there for 1.72 RR. But as it's late on in the session, it's pretty much 10:30 New York time when this setup came, 10:27. And price already made a pretty big move up. There's no need to be a greedy bastard right here. This is 102 ticks. That's $500. So that would have been a trade that I would have taken. The same trade on ES appeared a bit later, and we didn't even close out of 5 minute equilibrium, as you can see. So the higher time frame SMT, NQ was the lagging index on the higher time frame because NQ took the high. ES didn't take this high. So yeah, that picture you would have seen at the start of me actually placing the drawing on the chart so that you can just see that I didn't just put this on once it had won. But yeah, that's the trade I would have taken if elections were not in place and it was just a normal day. The news at 9:45 did nothing. Here's a 9:45 news candle, not a lot. And the 10 a.m. news candle, just, it was that big wick. So pretty simple, pretty bog standard, 4-hour sweep. ES didn't sweep these ones out. 1 minute break of structure, 5 minute down candle, 5 minute retrace candle, and then double inverse fair value gap and closure out of 5 minute equilibrium to enter into the trade, targeting just the 1 minute low. It's over a 1 RR, and it also makes sense to take profit there. And it also it's late in the session. I consider anything from like 10:25, about half 10, 10:25 onwards, it's late in the session, and I would have conservative take profits from that point. So that is the trade that I would have taken. Obviously, I didn't take it again because it is, in fact, presidential election. So why would I want to trade then? Just doesn't really make sense. So that being said, that is my view on the market today. Again, no trade taken. Back on the XFA tomorrow. So catch you guys tomorrow. Appreciate the support. Like, subscribe, comment. I don't do whatever you want. My Discord name will be in the description if you want to contact me. And peace out.